Hi everyone. So welcome to my channel. In this
いいよ。
video, I'll show you how you can make
何
pillarless walls,
読んだはい
which
わか
is
はい
a great
何わ
thing
か
to
りま
do
す。わ
when
か
you
っ
are
たよ。木
fortifying your
材だ
base
ね。
and at the same time trying to save wood because each pillar costs about 5 wood. So for that you will
よ
need
はい
to do
わかったよ。
is to go into the options, and in the hotkey menu you'll go to find unit hotkeys, then scroll down. You need to find this option, find all of selected type, and assign a key which you like. So what it will do is when you will
何はい
when you select a
いいよ。
unit and
読ん
then
だ
press
よ
that
わか
key
っ
which
た
you
よ。
bound. So what it will do
い
is
いよ。
it will highlight all of the same type of units like this.
何
See,
読んだいいわか行
I
きま
have
す。
selected a
何
villager and
要件は
press
い
down
い
that
よ。
key, so
何読んだ
it will select all of the
何
villagers.
要件は
So
わか
for
わか
making
りました。
the
行きはい
pillarless
わかり
walls,
ました。行きわかはい
what you will need to do is
わかはい行き
you
ま
need
す。
to keep some things in
わか
mind.
りはいわかったよ。行きわかい
You need to make the distance
木材だ
between
ね。
the pillars as low as possible. If you will not uh, keep the distance lower,
読ん
then
だ
what you will do is when you will delete the pillars, you will see there are some
だね
gaps between
何
the
わかわか行きま
walls.
す。わか行きます。
So
木材だね。
the best thing to do is keep the distance like this. You can make a gate as well and there will not be gaps in between.
This food is being used immediately to train soldiers to attack your puny
See the difference
base.
between these two walls. So
要
the
件
units
は
can
行き
pass
ます。
from
わかり
between
ま
these
した。
walls.
はい。わかったよ。はい。
See,
わかったよ。行きます。
right? So you don't
何
want this to happen. Okay, so
要件はいいよ。
what you
要
need
件
to
は
do is you need to keep
了解
one
わかり
thing
ました
more in mind, that
いいよ。
as soon as you assign a villager to make the wall, he'll start making the wall. And as the time you are laying down the blueprint, the wall will be almost 25% complete, or depending upon the length of your wall. So you don't want to do this because you will not be able to delete the pillars.
何
So
読んだ
for
要
that
件は
you can
読んだ行きま
can
す
do one
い
thing,
いよ。はい。何読んだ
either
行きま
assign
す
villager
い
to a
いよ。
mine or to a tree.
木材だね。
So and use the
Nan-
shift
mokuzai da
shift
ne.
key for the chain of commands. So for while using this you will have enough time to lay down the blueprints of the wall, and at the same time you will get enough time to uh, delete the pillars. So for deleting the pillars, what you need to do is select one of the pillars, any of the pillar you can select, right? And then press the key which you bound earlier, right? For example, I have selected this pillar and press down that key. So you can see that all the pillars are highlighted, and then you can press delete button. All the pillars will be deleted.
立てるん
See,
だね。
which you have already made, or with on the blueprints, every pillar will get deleted, right? So
読んだ
I'll
か
show
い
you again.
木材だ
Assign a villager to
何わか
a
りきま
tree
す
or a
な
mine.
んだ木材だね
Lay down the blueprints. Keep the distance as low as possible. Ideal distance should be like this. Yes. Select one of the pillars. You need to be careful. If you select the wall, it will select all the walls and will delete all the walls. So you need to select the pillar and then press the key and then delete.
よくやってるんだね
You you can see that the 5 amount of wood is saved when you delete the pillar.
なんだ
These walls look so much nicer, and as well as cost lesser time than the pillar walls, and the same time you will
わかりまし
save
た
your wood, which is a scarce resource
要件は
in
は
this
い
game,
木
and the
材だ
villagers
ね
gather
はいわかりました
slowly, right?
いいよ
So-
はいよしよ
This
し
was it.
Hi.
Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them, and thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below.